This is the OUTON Smart LED floor lamp. This has over 16 million different color options. You could sync it to music. It's very bright. And this is the remote control that comes with it. Very user friendly. Just turn it off and turn it back on here. It has tons of different settings right here. You could change the speed of the light. You could sync it to music. You could set a timer on here. Just pretty much it has a really lot of endless things you could do here. Just looks really, really cool here. You could see it's got a different like strobe feature here. It's really cool. With the 16 million colors, this thing just has a limitless possibilities here. Very easy to use. It ships in a nice, safe, secure box. This lamp is 65 inches tall. This would look great in the corner of any room. The base is very heavy. It does come with the USB charging block here and a very long cord, so you could pretty much run this wherever you need to run it to. If you're running it behind like a couch or a dresser or a desk or something like that, it's definitely going to be a long enough cord. No issues hooking this thing up. It went together in minutes. It was very simple to put together. The packaging the company put this in, it's very safe and secure. Each one of the pieces fits together very nicely. Comes with a very in-depth user manual. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about this lamp. But again, this is the OUTON Smart LED floor lamp. 16 million color options. You could sync it to music. Very super bright here. You could definitely increase the light, the speed, things like that. I've only been playing with this thing for a little while and I'm very happy with it. So very cool light. This is going to look good in the corner of any room. It's going to really light up the room. And again, I believe this is a really cool lamp. Definitely want to pick one of these up.